cassettes. For this a long time, okay? This is one of those gigs that you just sit around home waiting for, because I look out at you and it doesn't make me scared. It makes me feel like I'm at home, and I'm so glad we're all here tonight. You guys ready for a rock show? Yeah! You guys ready for a long rock show? Yeah!